What if I told you that next year could look totally different for you financially? You'll be earning from an online business, you'll have time and financial freedom, and you may be even able to retire from your job sooner than you ever thought possible. The best part is you don't need any experience, and it's not a huge upfront investment. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you how the Legacy Builders program can make those financial changes in your life a reality. The good news is you don't have to wait. You can join today. If you go down into the description, click on the link, put in your email, and take a look at the video, right? Again, this may not be exactly for you, but what if it is? What if you weren't even aware that there were things like this out there and you were looking for an opportunity? You're looking for a way to get out of your financial distress. With the Legacy Builders program, the next 12 months can change your life forever. You have the ability to build streams of income using this 90% done for you business in a box. It can't get any easier. The Legacy Builders program is a step-by-step plan to your financial freedom. You don't need to guess, you don't need to recreate the wheel, you don't need to go through trial and error. It is a proven blueprint. There are 47,000 people out there that are making thousands per month in income from home, and they didn't even have any experience when they started. The Legacy Builders program itself has 4 online income streams built in. Our creators are constantly coming up with new ways for us to add other income streams in order to make money. This program contains affiliate marketing, as well as teaching you how to create and market your own digital products, if that's something that you desire. And this is all done through an automated sales funnel, and it's designed to generate money 24/7. Yep, while you're sleeping, you can be making money, all because of the automated system. So whether you want to just make a few $1,000s a month to help you out, or whether you'd like to build and scale and learn to grow 6 and 7 figures over the next year, it's all doable in this program. We all know time is money, right? If you wait another month to get started, you could be losing out on hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in potential income. I don't want you to waste another second. Just go down to the link, click on the link, put your email address in there, and get a free step-by-step blueprint on how to start your business today. Maybe this isn't for you, but maybe there's someone in your life that is struggling that could benefit from this, and at least then you have the opportunity to share it with them. I just don't want you to miss out. If you have been looking for something online or didn't even know that there was a potential for anything online, what's it going to hurt to just take a look? With this program, you can build the lifestyle that you have always wanted. And you can do it now, not have to work 30 or 40 more years and hope that you have a retirement left, hope that there's Social Security left. You can do it now. You can take control and do this yourself, right? Picture this, in 1 year, what if you could be financially free? You could work from where you want. You could travel and work from there. You could work when you want. Maybe you like to get up early and put your 2 hours in of work and be done for the day. Whatever it is that you desire, you can have. This program will help you turn a side hustle into a full-time online income. It's not just a dream, and it's possible to start today. If I'd have known about this 10 years ago, we wouldn't be having this conversation right now, because I'd already well been on my way to 6 and 7 figures. Most people work decades at a 9 to 5 just so that they can retire. And even at that point, it doesn't mean that the money's going to be there. Life throws us lots of curves, and it doesn't mean that you're going to have a nest egg when you get there. So it's time for you to take the reins and use this program to accelerate your financial goals and retire sooner. You can do this in your 30s, 40s, 50s. You can do it 60s, 70s. It doesn't matter. If you don't want to be a Walmart greeter when you retire, you don't want to pinch pennies, then you need to take a look at this program. If you start now, by this time next year, you could be earning enough to eliminate your 9-to-5 and possibly even retire early. We also want you to be part of our community. Our community is 47,000 strong right now. Legacy Builders is not just about learning how to market online. It's about joining a community of like-minded people that are there to help you and that want you to achieve your goals. They have the same goals. They want financial freedom, early retirement, and a lifestyle that they never dreamed of. And it's all possible by just following the steps in this program. Once you're inside the program, there's a community page. You go out there, you can ask questions, you can comment on things you might be having trouble with, you can express your wins, things that have gotten you excited, and you're gonna receive a ton of personalized mentorship. You're gonna receive a lot of mindset training so that you can open your mind to the fact that it is possible for you and that you are worthy enough to receive all this good stuff coming into your life. And you're going to have tech support and just access to tons and tons of resources that are going to help you along your journey. I don't want you to miss out on the opportunity to join Legacy Builders. Again, it is a step-by-step, hold your hand, all-inclusive, done for you business in a box. I've looked at other products out there. I've looked at other things, and they fell so far short. And this one's the real deal. Again, there's 47,000 other people that think just like I do. So do yourself a favor. Take a look. Do someone else a favor. Take a look. If you know someone in your family that's struggling financially and could use something like this, give them the opportunity to take a look at it. Let them judge for themselves, but at least you can be there to provide it. All we want to do is help other people that are in financial situations that are beyond their control to be able to get back to a normal life and then build a financial life that hopefully will help them and their family and their friends for generations to come. So if you are serious about building the life you deserve, remember, we only have this one life. And if it hasn't been stellar up to now, you can't go back, but you can definitely take steps to prevent that in the future. Everything is in your control with this program. You do the work, you follow the steps, you will make a difference in your life and in many other people's lives. So take this opportunity to just check it out. And let's start building your legacy today.